What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys had a good work week, and I hope you guys all were safe, happy, and you guys were able to be prosperous. Okay, so today we're bringing you guys a new video. It's a quick video, but I always say it's quick, but whatever. It's going to be a good video. Company sent us out a product. They sent us a scan gauge tool. We're going to be doing a review on this. The company name is TOPDON, so like DON. Yeah, they went ahead and sent us out a tuner. So I figure, you guys can, relate to this type of stuff, man, because you guys know how it is. You get a check engine light. You don't want to go to Advanced Auto or Riley, wherever, to be able to find out what the code is. Yes, it's free, but it's a hassle. Today's technology makes it so easy to where you can get this stuff online for dirt cheap. I'm talking that tuner, or that scanner right there is going to be about a $40 scanner on Amazon. I will have a link down below for it. So just had to make sure I, shouted them out and said thank you for sending me the product out to do a honest, non-biased review. I was not paid for this. I'm just doing this because they reached out to me, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll do a review for y'all. But on another note, thank you guys so much on the previous video. The last video, which was the Fortin alarm system, you guys seem to really like that, and that's exactly what I was aiming for when I made that video. It wasn't super flashy. I didn't have any music, no sound effects. It was just, hey, I got to put this out there to y'all. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be cut to the point. I wanted to mention key points when it comes to installing it, because to me that was a big deal that it didn't explain it like that. So I feel like for you guys, when it's time for you to do it, you guys should be able to knock it out. Probably 45 minutes, an hour tops. Super simple process. The alarms have been working good, if you guys are wondering. I got a ton of questions on Instagram or email from you guys asking about this stuff. So I guess that was a good video. But like I said, thank you guys so much for checking that video out. I knew in my mind, and that's why I didn't drop a video last week, all of last week, because I was waiting for those parts to come in before I made the video or even talked about it. And I was like, I'm telling you, man, all my third gen dudes and fourth gen dudes that don't have remote start, they're gonna freaking love this. Or even the Power Stroke or Duramax guys, you guys can use this too. They make it for all makes and models. It's applicable to all of them. But in my mind, I was just like, man, these guys are gonna love this stuff, man. So you're welcome, you guys. I really appreciate the support, the comments. Also, a little tidbit I put at the end of the video, in the last video, all of you that commented on that part, I'm not going to say what it is because you would have to, you need to watch the end of the video to see what it is. All you guys that commented on that stuff, thank you again. I see you, and I really appreciate you guys. All right, so I got my left hand's messed up, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to take this to the truck, and we're going to go ahead and plug her up, and let's see what it's like. Okay, now luckily, which is a good thing, I don't have any check engine lights, so I can't give you 100% true testing, but we can get about 90% there. Okay, so I'd rather be showing you guys how to use it without a check engine light than having a check engine light on, because a check engine light on, that's a bad thing. So but yeah, all right, so let's go ahead and get. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and I got the tuner out, or I keep saying tuner, god dang it. I know this is not a tuner, but you guys know why I keep saying that. Anyways, we got this scanner. A couple keynotes, if the sun won't be messing with me. A couple keynotes real quick, you guys. Features: it can read and clear DTC codes. Mode 6, which is you can pretty much view the results of the onboard monitor test. IM readiness, so pretty much it's OBD2 compatible. Freeze frame, so if you're like viewing, like, I don't know, injector balance, I don't even know. I'm curious to see if you can view that on this. We'll find out. Vehicle info, VIN number, all that good stuff. Let's see, data review, so you can freeze frame data. So if you're doing live data logging, I guess you can freeze frame it. O2 sensor motion or monitor. DTC lookup, so you can look up DTC codes. It has an onboard library built into it, so you don't have to go to Google and Google the P0 whatever code or P whatever, and you get live data. Okay, it comes with a, what is this? Let's see. It comes with a cord, a USB cable, so that way you can, I guess, update it to the computer. It doesn't have a whole lot of instructions, but it does cover what it goes over. So I guess at this point, I'm going to try it two ways. I'm going to just plug it into the OBD2 port as such, Hopefully it doesn't destroy my ECM or nothing. Okay, we plugged it in. The little thing came on. It says, okay then. So we got OBD2 review, DTC lookup and setup. So let's just go ahead and click that. It's doing a processing. Just let it do its thing. Oh, my bad. Didn't want to lose focus. It says communication error. Oh yeah, I gotta turn the ignition on. Okay. Alright, well, let me do that real quick. Let's see. See if we can go back. Well, let me turn the key forward. Okay. The ignition is forward. Alright, let's try that again. This time it should be a little better. So it says DTCs in the ECU, 0. Okay, let me make sure you guys can even see this. I don't even know if my camera can focus on that. God dang it. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, so we got different statuses. We got DTC in the ECU, 0, which is good. Readiness completed, 7. Readiness not completed, 4. Readiness not supported, 4. Ignition, spark, protocol. I'm curious why it says ignition, spark, but whatever. So we can do a bunch of stuff here. So it looks like we can read codes, erase codes, IM readiness, data stream. Oh, you can do an evap system test. That's pretty cool. So like on the AC system, get supported data stream loading. Okay, so I'm assuming maybe if you have a leak system, you guys comment. I know one of you guys know about this. I've never seen that before. So I'm assuming if you have the evap leak system hooked up to the AC unit, you can check it. That's kind of cool. Vehicle information. Let's see if this thing knows what my truck is. Oh, wow. Well, yeah. There's my info. My VIN number. CVN. I have no idea what the other two are for, but that's pretty cool. So we got that. Let's see. I guess no. There's not a yes or a no. It just kind of says, are you sure you want to exit? Okay, so I guess hitting this redeems itself. Okay. Well, let's see what else we got. Let's do data stream. I'm curious about that, to see what all is entailed on that. I wonder if it needs to be running for this one. I feel like it does. Engine coolant temps. Okay then, so you can see quite a bit of stuff here too, almost like a tuner. Airflow, auxiliary input status off. Time since engine start, 0 seconds. Distance traveled while mill is activated, 0 km. So it says km there. You guys see that second one? So I'm wondering if this is automatically preset to kilometers, and you have to set it to miles per hour. That's funny. Commanded EGR error, 0. Fuel input level, we're at 66% fuel, which that seems about right. Number of warm-ups since DTC cleared, 16. Oh yeah, that was I had to clear one when I did the alarm because of my grid heater, long story short. Wow, this tells you the barometric pressure. That's sick. Distance traveled since DTC. O2 sensors, none. We don't have any of that mess. No catalyst. Engine runtime since. Type of fuel, currently diesel. So you can see your load value on here. So I guess if there's a load on the engine, you'd be able to see what % load you're at. That's kind of cool. So a lot of this stuff, not a good bit of this stuff that's relevant to what I use, I get from my Mini Max. This stuff here, oh sorry, got you. I know you guys aren't focused. Let me get it. Okay. Few graphic items, no. Alright, let's go ahead and go to system settings and see if we can get this set up for miles per hour. That's kind of annoying when it says kilometers. Yep, unit measures. Let's go ahead, change that. There we go. Okay, so we could be good. And let's turn this beeper off because that's kind of annoying. There we go. Oh, much better. Thank goodness. Let's see what's up with the review. Oh, this is one that I was curious about. DTC lookup. So you can it looks like you can punch in. Let's see. It looks like you could punch in the DTC code and it will look it up in the library and tell you what it is. That's pretty sick. So I'm gonna try to make one up if I'm correct. 0, I think like what, 669 is that one? I don't know. We're gonna put a fake, try to make one up in here, y'all. Oops. There we go. Oh wow, okay, there we go. ECM power relay sense circuit high. So this is very similar. This is spot on to what the OBD2, or what, not OBD2, what the Mini Max can do for me. So you guys know I have the Mini Max, H&S Mini Max. I don't use for tuning because you guys know what I use for tuning over here. The Mini Max now is just a supported, it's a supported monitor pretty much because I'm too cheap to buy an Edge CTS2 again, because I had one and I sold it like an idiot. So if you guys got one for the low Edge CTS2, let me know. I'll be potentially interested in that. So I just unplugged the tuner, you guys. From the looks of it, it's not bad, man. For 40 bucks, it pretty much, this is what you would get if you need, if your wife's car, your girlfriend's car, Jeep, whatever it may be, if you need to reset that stuff, you know, I would use it for that and probably that only. I honestly, I don't have a code I can put in. And get out, son. I don't have a code I can put in that way you guys can see the what's it like hooking it up with a check engine light. But from a review standpoint, you guys, I think that can get the job done. I'm impressed about it. Like I said, it does what my tuner does already. It's just, I guess you can say it's not needed, or I don't need it necessarily for my truck, but it's definitely something good to have for the wife's car. I can't even use it on the Impala because the Impala's a 95, and back then I think it was OBD1, not OBD2, until 95 or 96 or newer. So I can't even use that. So really, it's just gonna be for the wife's Jeep. If anything happens, or a buddy, you know, they get a check engine light or something. I don't know. It's just make sure my lens is good. There we go. So I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. Would I use it again? Oh, the UPS man is here. All right, you guys. So the reason why I had to stop because the UPS man came. I had 2 packages, which I actually was going to talk about in today's video right now, but they're gone because I just sent them off. So what I just sent off was 2 oil samples. The first one was an oil sample I took before I changed the oil when we installed the S464. The second oil sample is the current oil in the truck right now, the 5W30. I took 2 samples because I want to get them tested to see how they're doing. The old sample had like 7,500 miles on it. The new sample had like 1,100 miles on it. So I want to see where they're at. Also, the new oil I want to get tested. Sorry, I wanted to get tested to check for something in that. I'm not going to talk about that yet until I confirm it and make sure everything's going the way it's supposed to be going. So that was happening. I was going to talk about that more but it is what it is. So we also got packaged in the mail too from the UPS man. Shout out to UPS, go Brown. So they sent us something. So you guys know I'm into detailing and all that good stuff. So I'm addicted to mystery boxes. Okay, so what it is a lot of detailing companies will sell these mystery boxes where you pay like 30 bucks, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, and you get like twice the value of products, except it's random. You don't know what you're getting. So this is it. I'm gonna check it out and see what we got, what came in the mail. This is from a company called Detailer's Domain. You can check. You can look them up on Instagram at Detailer's Domain. So let's see what we got here. First thing we got is some Phytech 1 premium. What is this? Protection 1 year. Is this like a ceramic? It's in French. I don't even. I gotta find out what to do with that. It's not even in English. I knew I was gonna get this in the box. Oh, actually, no, I didn't get it. Oh man, I was supposed to get the Lotus shampoo, but whatever. This right here looks cool. These are all like German car product brands, I believe. German or Italian. I'm pretty sure they're German. It's soap. So this stuff's cool. I want to smell that. I'm gonna smell that in a second. Don't worry about the little drink right there. It's Friday. Shout out to MDC Diesel, koozies and turbos, etc. We got some, let's see, some wheel cleaner, Sonax. Now, for those of y'all that don't know, Sonax is one of those brands. It's a German brand, made in Germany, but they make some sick shit. I'm talking, you want some stuff that's gonna work? Look this brand up, Sonax. I've used them in the past. Really good stuff. And that was it. Wow. So my mystery box, I paid 34 bucks plus $5 shipping, so $40, and I got 3 products. I'm pretty sure this is some sort of ceramic coating, if I'm not mistaken. 1 year protection, SOIL2, yeah. This is some sort of, oh yeah, it says it right there too. See if I can zoom in for you guys. Camera decided to die, so yeah, this is some sort of ceramic coating. It says it right there. I know you guys probably can't read it. Specifications, yeah, it says easy to apply ceramic coating with a high concentration of SOI2 1 year or 15,000 kilometers, I'm assuming. Huh, interesting. So this right here is probably what took up the value for I guess receiving more stuff. But I mean, this is a ginormous bottle of car soap, and it kind of looks thick, so that's cool. Hell yeah. All right, you guys, so went ahead, made a video review for the TOPDON OBD2 port scan gauge reader. Links will be down below if you are interested in purchasing it. You know, you guys know me, man. I'm gonna give y'all an honest, unbiased review. I try to make it as straightforward as possible. So would I buy it if I needed a scan tool? Absolutely, I would buy it. It does what I need. I can look up codes. It can tell me what the code means. I can clear codes. What more do you need from a scan tool, unless, you know, you're trying to get like a snap-on or something crazy? But I would recommend this personally. It looks solid. It doesn't feel flimsy, cheap. Like, you know, it doesn't feel all out of place. It feels good. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for checking out the video today. If you did enjoy this video and you stuck it out this far, please give me that thumbs up, because I really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for a lot of cool stuff happening. We got traction bars back there. That's probably gonna be I'm gonna try to get installed sometime next week. Looking at off-road bumpers, man. So we got a lot of stuff happening. Okay, so until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, and peace out.